Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this video I am going to discuss question from functions which was asked in JEE Main 2025 held on 29th Jan Shift 1. So let's start. So question says, let f be a function from 0, infinity to r be a twice differentiable function if for some a not equal to 0, integral from 0 to 1 f of lambda x d lambda is equal to a f of x, f of 1 is equal to 1 and f of 16 is equal to 1 by 8, then 16 minus f dash 1 by 16 is equal to. So students, this question is actually from application of derivatives, not from function only, right? It is mainly from application of derivatives. So let's proceed accordingly. As it is given that integral within the limit 0 to 1 f of lambda x d lambda is equal to a fx. So students, this d lambda is representing what? This d lambda is representing that integration is being done with respect to lambda, right? So let lambda x is equal to some t, then dt by d lambda is equal to x, right? Because differentiation of lambda with respect to lambda is 1. Also, I have to change the limits. Now, if lambda is equal to 0, then t would be 0. If lambda is equal to 1, then t would be x, right? Now, integral becomes within the limit 0 to x f of t and d lambda is dt by x. So I can write 1 by x outside and this is inside dt, which is equal to a fx, right? Now, if I differentiate both sides with respect to x, then it will become, okay, now also I am taking this 1 by x in RHS. So RHS becomes a x fx, right? Now, if I differentiate with respect to x both sides, then LHS will become, I will use in LHS Newton-Leibniz theorem. So by using this, it will become f of x into 1 minus 0. And in RHS, it will be a fx plus ax f dash x, right? So if I take fx in one side, then it will be fx common 1 minus a is equal to ax f dash x. Or if I take quantities of f in one side, whether it is fx or f dash x, then it will become f dash x by fx is equal to 1 minus a by a into 1 by x, right? Now, if I integrate both sides with respect to x, then it will become like this. You know very well integral of f dash x by fx is ln fx. So this is ln fx and in RHS it will be ln x plus some c, and also f of 1 is equal to 1. So it implies ln f of 1 is equal to 1 minus a by a into ln 1 plus c. Ln f1 is 0 because f1 is 0. So sorry, f1 is 1, so ln 1 is 0. So 0 is equal to 1 minus a by a into 0 plus c. It implies c is equal to 0. So therefore ln fx becomes 1 minus a by a into ln x, right? Or I can say fx is equal to x to the power 1 minus a by a, right? And also f of 16 is equal to 1 by 8. So it is equal to 16 to the power 1 minus a by a, right? So I can write 1 by 8 is equal to 16 to the power 1 by a into 16 to the power minus 1, and which I can write 1 by 8 is equal to 16 to the power 1 by a upon 16. 8 to just 16. So if I cross multiply, then it will be 2 is equal to 16 to the power 1 by, which 16 to the power 1 by can be written 2 to the power 4, right? 16 is nothing but 2 to the power 4. So 16 to the power 1 by is 2 to the power 4 by a. So if I compare the powers of 2 both sides, then 4 by a is equal to 1 implies a is equal to 4, right? Okay, now I completely know the fx, right? So fx is x to the power 4, 1 minus 4 by 4, which is minus 3 by 4, right? So here f dash x will become minus 3 by 4 into x to the power minus 3 by minus 1, that is minus 7 by 4, right? So therefore what I need 16 minus f dash 1 by 16, and which is 16 minus plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 16 whole to the power minus 7 by 4, right? So this will be 16 plus 3 by 4 into 16 to the power 7 by 4, right? Or 16 plus, or if I take 16 as common, then it will be, sorry, no need to take common. So 16 plus 3 by 4 into 16 to the power 7 by 4 can be written as 2 to the power 7, right? And 2 to the power 7 is 128. So 16 plus 3 by 4 into 128. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, so 32 into 3 is 96, plus 16 is 112. Answer is 112. So students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.